Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
For the umpteenth time since 1999, the debate on which ethnic group should produce the next governor of Rivers State is gradually taking the center stage in political discourse as the 2023 governorship election draws closer. In this report, our correspondent takes a look at the position of different political camps on the issue of zoning and how they will likely shape the conduct and outcome of the 2023 governorship election in Rivers State.
Unlike in neighboring Akwa Ibom and Delta states where governorship hopefuls are beginning to throw their hats in the ring in readiness for 2023, their counterparts in Rivers State have maintained a studied silence. Most political bigwigs are trying to look before they leap as the debate on power sharing between the Riverine and Upland parts of Rivers State resurfaces in 2023. Leading the debate on the need for rotational governorship are Minister of Transportation Right Honorable Rotimi Amaechi and Governor Nyesom Wike. While Amaechi, immediate past governor of Rivers State, is said to be rooting for a Riverine Ijaw person to become the next governor of the state, Wike has consistently maintained that his support for a governorship aspirant will be on account of proven capacity to win election and not on the basis of ethnic affiliation. Expectedly, the debate on rotational governorship is gaining currency as the 2023 general elections draw closer. Former chairman of Inter-Party Advisory Committee in Rivers State, Samuel Ihunwo, and Dr. Edwin Jonathan, a lecturer in the Law Faculty of Rivers State University, agree with Governor Nyesom Wike that the governorship contest in 2023 should be fully participatory to allow for the emergence of a competent leader.
Reducing the governance of a state to a particular ethnic group is to me not the best interest of the state. So it should be thrown open. Anyone that have the capacity should lead and show what he can do.
I think it's about time we looked for the right candidate, irrespective of where he comes from. And so, on that premises, I support His Excellency Governor Nyesom Wike. The question of, sectional leadership, that is what you and I know as rotational leadership for the presidency, for the governors and what have you, has never yielded the dividend we need, as a nation.
However, Prince Toyin Princewill, a chieftain of the All Progressives Congress in Rivers State, calls for power shift to the riverine part of the state to reflect equity, fairness, and justice.
The Riverine Ijaws in 1999 came out and supported Odili for governor because we had seen the history of the state and how things had gone. So when it comes to justice, there's no compromise.
Available records show that Rivers State has maintained a tradition of power sharing between the Riverine Ijaws and other ethnic groups in the upland part of the state since the Second Republic. Between 1979 and 1983, Senator Melford Okilo, an Ijaw politician, was governor of Old River State, while Eze Frank Eke of the Ikwere ethnic nation was his deputy. During the transition to civil rule under the administration of military President Ibrahim Babangida, Chief Rufus Adegeorge, an Ijaw of Okrika extraction, served as governor between 1991 and 1993, with Sir Dr. Peter Odili as his deputy. In 1999, Sir Dr. Peter Odili was elected governor of Rivers State and was deputized by Sir Gabriel Toby, an Ijaw statesman from Opobo Kingdom. In a bid to maintain the tradition of power sharing in Rivers State, Rotimi Amaechi chose Engineer Tele Ikuru, an Ijaw son from Andoni, as his deputy between 2007 and 2015. In 2015, incumbent Governor Nyesom Wike shared a joint ticket with an Ijaw lady, Dr. Epalebo Harebanigo, the current deputy governor of Rivers State. From 1979 till date, the Ijaws have produced 2 governors who served cumulatively for 6 years. By 2023, the upland of Rivers State would have held on to the governorship of Rivers State for 24 years, a development that does not go down well with Somina Wokoma and Ijaw political activists.
We will not allow it now that another upland should emerge again. We've had that. So what we are conversing and saying and pushing for is that come 2023, a governor from the Riverine extraction should emerge, while we have the Upland as a deputy governor.
For his part, spokesperson for Niger Delta rights advocates Comrade Darlington Nwauju insists that Governor Wike has a role to play in the quest for equitable power sharing in Rivers State. Comrade Nwauju advises Wike, who currently champions power shift to southern Nigeria, to endeavor to practice what he preaches in Rivers State.
If you say power should leave the north for the south at the national level, then we are also saying that in keeping with that tradition, power should also leave the upland for the riverine.
In the ongoing debate on rotational governorship in Rivers State, it is clear that both its proponents and opponents have their individual interests to advance in 2023. The question is, whose interests reflects the true aspiration of the generality of Rivers people? Ultimately, the buck stops with the electorate to decide who becomes the next governor of Rivers State come 2023.
Inside the Niger Delta,